In this video, I'm going to show you a browser-based live streaming app that you can get 100% free. And probably the best compared to Melon App, BeliveTV, and my favorite, Streamyard. Why am I saying this is probably the best? You need to watch this video from start to finish, so stay tuned.
You're watching Alan Online TV. Now your host, Alan De Leon.
Hi, Alan De Leon here. If this is your first time in this channel, then I have a special gift for you. It's a free ebook entitled The Top 5 Free Tools for YouTube Live Streamers. All you have to do is to visit this site. Yep, this site. You can also check this out in the description. Make sure to click it and you will be redirected to this site. Then provide your name and email address and I'll send the free ebook to your email inbox immediately. It was 2 years ago when I decided to window shop for a free browser-based live streaming application, and I stumbled into 3, namely Melon App, BeliveTV, and Streamyard. So I began looking into their free plan. So I started comparing one from the other, and clearly for me during that time, it was Streamyard who is the clear winner. Yes, Streamyard, but take note, was the clear winner. It was the best during that time until today. But wait, I'll go into that later. But for now, I just want to show you why I picked Streamyard against Melon App and BeliveTV. Okay, here we go. So we are comparing the free plan of Streamyard versus Melon App, and you can clearly see that Streamyard is offering more than Melon App. So as you can see here, up to 2 participants only that can join you on screen, while here in Streamyard, 6 on-screen participants, and it has screen sharing, banners, on-screen comments, brand colors, green screen, and here streaming limits, if I'm not mistaken, is Streamyard is providing 20 hours per month free. So that's the limit. So if you go over the 20 hours, then you have to wait for the following month to be able to get another 20 hours of streaming. While in Melon App, what I believe here, it's providing like 4 hours of streaming. I just don't know whether that's on a monthly basis or a daily basis. I really don't know, but it says 4 hours of streaming. So anyway, clearly you can see that Streamyard here is the winner. So that's why I picked Streamyard against Melon App. So moving on, let's compare Streamyard to BeliveTV. Now here, okay, the same thing, as you can see, BeLive, you can only have 2 on-screen participants, similar or just like Melon App. Of course, Streamyard is the winner here by having 6 on-screen participants. Then there's really not much here, as you can see. 3 shows per month. Whoa, I think that's very limiting. Well, compared to Streamyard's 20 hours per month, so that's better. So clearly, again, Streamyard is the winner. That's why I've totally choose Streamyard against BeliveTV and Melon App. So the big question is Streamyard still the best free browser-based live streaming application out there? In my humble opinion, unfortunately, not anymore. It used to be the best. It was the best until today, because there is a new kid on the block named EVMUX. Yes, EVMUX. If you compare EVMUX free plan to Streamyard's free plan, you can clearly see that EVMUX offers more than Streamyard. Now, don't get me wrong, I've been using Streamyard for 2 years now and I love Streamyard. Yes, I love Streamyard. But if you look at it objectively and compare the free plan of EVMUX and Streamyard, you can clearly see that EVMUX is the winner. Now, why don't we head over to my computer screen and see for yourself why I am saying that EVMUX beats Streamyard. Okay, here we go. We are comparing the free plan of Streamyard versus EVMUX. So just follow my cursor. Here in EVMUX, it says unlimited streaming hours. Unlimited. If we compare it to Streamyard, there is a streaming limits to Streamyard. The streaming limits is Streamyard will provide you 20 hours for a month. Now, if you consume all of the 20 hours, then you cannot live stream anymore. You have to wait for the following month, so StreamYard would provide you another 20 hours. So this one, EVMUX wins it, okay? Not only that, guys, look at this. Up to 12 on-screen participants. 12 compared to StreamYard's 6 on-screen participants. Not only that, if you look at the video quality, full HD 1080p. Now in StreamYard, it's not 1080p. I think it's 720, okay? 720. And if we look at the paid version of StreamYard, let me change my screen. Okay, here is the full plan of StreamYard. Now, the 1080p, full HD 1080p of EVMUX is in the free plan. Now, the 1080p or full HD 1080p quality video with regards to StreamYard is in the professional plan, or $39 a month. Just imagine that. EVMUX is giving it for free, while in StreamYard you're paying for it at $39 per month. Not only that, EVMUX is providing a multi-stream of 5 destinations, compared to the free plan of StreamYard is you can only stream only one. You cannot do multi-stream. You have to go to the basic or professional plan so you can do multi-streaming. In the basic plan, you can multi-stream for 3 destinations, while in the free plan of EVMUX, it's 5. Of course, in the professional plan, you multi-stream for 8 destinations. Okay, so that's fine. And everything here, like the overlays, you cannot get it in the overlays background or the graphics, like fully branded overlays and backgrounds. You get it for free for EVMUX, while in the free version of StreamYard, you cannot do that. So this is what I'm telling you, that EVMUX beats StreamYards with regards to the free plan or free version. So now I hope you understand why I claim that EVMUX probably is the best free browser-based live streaming application out there, because it offers more in its free plan compared to StreamYard. So now, if you would like to create a EVMUX free account, then let's head over back to my computer screen so I can show you how to create a EVMUX free account. So here we are in evmux.com. So let's create a free account by clicking the sign up button here. Okay, and let's put our first name, last name, company, email, password, confirm password. I'll be very quick with this one. Okay, so I am now thinking about my password, and then confirm my password. All right, and then let's click register. Okay, so verify your email address. Okay, let's check my email address. Let's see if oh, there it is. EVMUX verify email address. Okay, so let's click the verify email address blue button. There you go. And now we are redirected to EVMUX again. So I think we're gonna do a test broadcast. So let's just put the title test broadcast and then single broadcast to studio. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. It's similar to the dashboard of StreamYard, but StreamYard has its functionalities in the right side of the computer screen, while EVMUX has it on the left side. Okay, let me just check on and select my camera. Let's use snap camera for this one, and then my microphone. Okay, we're good. Again, similar to StreamYard, I just have to add myself to the stream, and there you go. There's Alan over there on the screen. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, because the next video tutorial that I am going to do is to show you the unique and special features and functionalities of EVMUX that you cannot find elsewhere. Yes, this will be very interesting and you don't want to miss it. But for now, I have 2 videos on screen. Yep, you can choose one and I'll see you in one of those videos.
Thank you for watching Alan Online TV. Make sure to like this video, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video episode.